thunderstorm warning for southern Coshocton County and east central Ohio, northwestern Guernsey County and east central Ohio, northern Muskingum County and east central Ohio, until 7 p.m. At 6:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected 7 miles south of Cooperdale and was moving east at 25 miles an hour. This storm is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Dillon State Park, Cooperdale, Adamsville, Conesville, Ferncliff, Otsego, West Lafayette, Bowdoin, Plainfield. This is a dangerous storm. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.